to lose that weight, and once you keep it off and you keep those habits, you're self-confident on that because you know that you have developed those habits to have that. It requires effort, yes, but it's more fulfilling to have that than just live life and being afraid of everything and not being happy with your body, not being happy with your life, not being happy with the finances, with the partner that you have, because you're living a mediocre life. Don't get me wrong, you have free choice. You can do anything like I do. And you should be practicing your freedom. You have the right. The only thing I'm saying is be true to yourself. If you want to step it up and lose those 20 pounds and keep it off, become that person. If you want a great relationship, become that person. If you want to be financially free, become that person. And nothing is going to happen just because you wish it. You need to become that person. Once you become that person, everything is going to become easier.